Okay. Now we can see about incremental operators and decremental operators. New file. As test 9. Public static void main. Default executable method. Int I equal to 10. System.out.println. Println of I. Save this. Test9.java. System.out.println of I++. Just incremented one value. J equal to 10. J equal to 20. System.out.println of plus j. This is pre-incremental operator plus j. First one for I used post increment. K equal to 30. System.out.println of K minus minus. L equal to 40. System.out.println of minus minus L. This is pre-decrement. Now what is the output here? Whenever we execute this test9.java Java test9, main method will execute. First, we declared one variable int I equal to 10. System.out.println of I++. This is post increment. First, it is using the value 10. First, it is printing the value 10 here. So our output is 10 over here. First, printing the value, then it is incrementing the value. After this statement, here if you give below this, if you give one more system.out.println of I, will get the value as 11. Here, pre-increment, j value is 20, plus I means first it is incrementing the value. Incrementing the value and using the value. Incrementing the value means 20 plus 1. Incrementing the value to 21 and using the value. Here, I++ means first it is using the value, then incrementing the value. Here, plus I means first it is incrementing the value and using the value. That's why we got 21. Similarly, post decrement. First it is using the value k equal to 30. We got output as 30. Then it is incrementing the value. Then it will increment the value to 30 minus 1. It is doing decrement one value. Similarly, L equal to 40. First it is decrementing the value minus minus. Pre-decrement. First decrementing the value 40 minus 1. The value is becoming 39. Whatever I giving, this is a commenting the code. And it is using the value. Decrementing and using the value. Control S. Now cd /src. Java /classes test9.java. cd double dot slash classes. We see output. First it is using the value, then it is incrementing the value. First it is incrementing and getting the value, means we got the 21. First it is using the value 30, then it is decrementing, it become to 29 after that. First it is decrementing the value and using, so we got the 39. 10, 21, 30, 39. Now system dot out dot println of I. Now to what is our I value here? Here first it is incrementing the, first it is using the value, then incrementing the value. Using the value means we got 10. After 10 it incremented to 11. That is post increment. System dot out dot println of j. First it is incrementing and then using. Incrementing to 1. 20 plus 1 is 21. Then we are using the value 21. Here also we will get the 21. System out dot println of k. This is post decrement. First using the value. Using the value means 30 we printed, and then we are decrementing to minus 1. 29. So we got here 29. This is pre-decrement. So we got the same value 39. First it is decrementing the value, then using the value. So we got 39. 11, 21, 29, 39. Now let's compile this. Go to src, call the javascript command to compile our code. Go to the classes. Eleven, 21, 29, 39. Now go to the another class. Test10.java. I'm saving. Int I equal to 100. Void test of int I. System.out. Println of I. Main method. Args. Create object to the test10. T10 equal to new test10. I just created object to the class. T10 dot test of I plus plus. T10 dot test of plus plus I. We are calling the method and we are passing the I plus plus incrementing operator and decrementing operators. Control S. Just compile this. You can see, is there any compiled methods over there? Non-static variable I cannot be referenced from a static context. We cannot access the non-static variable directly over here, but we can access using the object T10 dot I plus plus. This is a non-static variable. We cannot access directly inside the static method here. So what we can do, we declare one local variable. J equal to I. T10 dot I. Instead of using the I, the J, I am using the J, local variable. Now we can see any errors. No compilation success. Here, what is output? We have one global variable. We have defined and initialize the value here. When our object is created and all the non-static members will store into the object with the default value. Here we already give the value. It should go and store the value over there. And whenever we access using T10.I, we'll get the value of 100 over here. Now let's compile and run this. Compilation success. Java test chain. First we got the value is 100 and 102, 101, 101. Up to here we got everything. Now, whenever we call test method by passing the J++. J++ means first using the value. Using the value means whatever J value is there, it will use first. Using the value, then incrementing value plus 1. First it is using the 100 and then it is incrementing J value as 100 plus 1. Now here after this J value become 101. But here whenever it's calling this, it should go as a 100 only. 100 means first it is printing 100, then J value is becoming 101. Here J value is 101. Then coming to next statement, whenever we are calling the test of 101 plus plus J, First, incrementing value plus 1, then using the value. Now here the j value is 102. So it will go and execute this. Now test of 102. Now after this, T10 of test minus j is pre-decrement. First, decrementing value minus 1, then using the value. So the j value is becoming 102 minus 1 is 101. Here the output is 101. Here j minus minus. First using the value. It will use the value, same value 101. Then decrementing value minus 1. So after this j value, first it is printing as a 101, then value become 100. If you want to check system.out.println of j is 100. 100, 102, 101, 101. Compile this class again. Go to the classes. Run this. Now at the end we got the 100. This is all about the incremental operators and decremental operators. If you have if you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, we can continue tomorrow. Okay. Then we can continue tomorrow. Tomorrow timing same 4 to 5.